up your flipaclip, create a new project, select 24 frames per second, and let's get to animating. Turn on the grid lines and onions from the settings and draw a simple line background. You can draw it with whatever color you want. I'll use the gray color. It looks better. Let's do a quick run through of the animation. The stick figure raises his hands and pushes the opponent back, then immediately draws the opponent forward again. Nothing too hard, just very simple movements. Select a good pen size and let's get to animating. On a new layer, let's animate the black stickman making the moves. First, we draw the black stickman in the rest pose. We should then animate him raising his hands and pushing outward. Enjoy the short time lapse. Shout out to Meppy for guessing the video right. Go sub to his channel and check out his animations. Also, the second channel is on a race to hit 500 subscribers before the year runs out. Help out by heading over to the channel and subscribing. Thank you all. Hey, if you're enjoying this video, please give it a thumbs up. It helps reach more animators too. After we've animated him doing the moves, let's add heads. To add heads, increase the pen size, tap once creating a dot, use the lasso tool to copy, paste, and adjust the head each frame. Here's a quick time lapse of adding the heads. After the heads have been added, the timing should be adjusted by copying and pasting frames. Even after the timing has been adjusted, I'm not satisfied with the stick animation, so I'll just make some tweaks to the second part where he throws his hands up. I'll make it go backwards. To make it easier to follow along, I'll reduce the time-lapse speed. Now enjoy the time-lapse. Now I'm satisfied with the stick animation. Let's animate the opponent. On a new layer, let's start animating the opponent. Starting first with his rest pose, then we animate him with respect to the movement of the black stickman. Enjoy the opponent animation time lapse. In this part, we'll animate the blur effect. Remember to use the lasso tool to add shaky effects to the animation. After everything's done, let's add heads to his opponent. Following the same procedure as the first, add heads to the purple stickman. After it's all done, you can add extra effects and sound effects to make it look better. If you enjoyed this video, you might want to check out other videos here or check out the tutorial playlist here. Subscribe to the second channel and help me get to 500 subs. See you next time.